Okay, so hello everybody. Okay, we are back to this one is for those who are taking primary 3. Okay, primary 3 mathematics. So if you are not P3, please don't watch this video. This is not for you. Okay, so firstly what you need is I would like you all to have your rough paper. I would like you all to have your pen or your pencil also can. And if you have this one, my pals are here book. Okay, this one I leave it up to you all lah, huh? Okay, this one I leave it up to you all. Okay, I leave it up to you. If you want to have your book, you can go and grab it. If not, it's okay. Okay, but minimally I want to have these two things here. Minimally I must have these two things. Right, can? Alright. So today we're going to go content overview. So what we're going to do today, firstly is I'm going to do a WA revision and some tips to ace your WA lah. Okay, all clear? So that's why you see the recording is going to be a little bit short because I only have a few pages to go through. Yeah, so let's get started. Let me share the new one. Okay, this one is the one that you will see from now on. From now on, you only see this paper. We are going to attempt Nanyang paper. Okay, and without further ado, let's start. Okay, firstly, the digit 5 of a number is in the hundreds place. Which one of the following is the number? Okay, firstly, you need to understand what is the hundreds place. Okay, hundreds place, I got 5,000 like that. Okay, hundreds place is the one here. Sorry, hundreds place is the one here. This is your tens, this is your ones, correct? So this one will be your hundreds place. So you look carefully which of the digit 5 is in the second position from the left. So it's from the left, so it's this way. So what? So it will be something 5 something something, right? So answer will be 4. Okay, because 8531, this is hundreds place. Okay, yeah. Okay, can. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, I hate it. This is single page. Okay. Okay, number 2. What is 1000 more than 5689? Okay, to understand, right, they ask for 1000 more. More means plus, so it's 5689 plus 1000,986. Answer 6689. Answer 4. Okay, can. Alright, next. There were 4 cards as shown below. Okay, wait, my laptop will be slow. Okay, there were 4 cards as shown below. Janice picked 2 of the cards. The difference between the numbers on the 2 cards was 3000. Which of the 2 cards did she herself pick? So first, I want you all to understand. Okay, wait while I adjust something. Okay, I hope y'all can hear me a little bit better. Sorry, because there's something over there. Okay, so there were 4 cards as shown below. Janice picks 2, right? So they give you 4 options. So what you need to do is you need to test all 4, okay, and tell me the difference for each. So for example, card A and card B, 8564. Because they ask for difference is minus, so it will be 3564. The difference is 5000. Okay, A and C. $3,000. Okay, the moment you see 3,000, you know this is the answer already. Right, Ken? So definitely not 3, not 4. Alright. Okay, great. Oh, we are here already. Okay, we are now on section B. So in your PSLE, this is called section B, where you must answer everything that is shown here. Alright, let's start with this one. Write the following in numeral. Numeral means numbers, yeah? Okay, first one. 9,712. 9,712. Next, 4,604. Take note there is no tens, so it will be 4,604. Okay, clear? Alright, let's move on to the next one. I am a 4-digit even number formed with the digits 2, 4, 5, 8. I'm a number between 2600 and 2900. So this one already tell you that the first number must be 2. Right? And because it's 2600 and 2900, it must be 8 in front. Okay, because 4 cannot and 2 cannot. Then fill in your remainders. So you use 2, you use 8, and you want even, so that means you'll be like 2, 4, 6, 8, dot, 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 right? So it'll be 2, 8, 5, 4. That's it. Okay, next one. Look at the number pattern below. Okay, this one we know is plus 300, plus 300, plus 300, plus 300. What is the first one? 4181 minus 300. Okay, you want to minus away 300. 1, 8. 1 cannot minus 3, so you have to borrow 3, 1. 11 minus 3, 8. And the 3 just bring down. So answer will be 3, 8, 8, 1. Okay, can? Yeah, I know it's a bit fast because my laptop is super slow. Okay, but I think y'all can understand, yeah? Alright, if can already, go on to the next one. This one. Jane had 1352 marble. Okay, so let's say Jane and Siti, Jane had 1352. So let's imagine this is 1352. Sydney has 1515 marbles more than Jane. So this will be an extra 1515. This is 1352, right? So there are two ways to do this. One, you use 1352 plus 1352 plus 1515. You can get your total, which should be 1352, 352, 1515. So you can get this 4219. Sorry, I use calculator. So yeah, so my answer is not very. So my answer is very accurate, okay? This is method 1. Method 2, which I highly recommend you all use this. Okay, 1352 plus 1515 first. You should have 2867. Then you add with Jane. Same thing, you should get 4219. Okay, option 2, I really highly your recommend use this. Okay, try to use this. Try to use this. Okay, try to use this method. Yeah, I think it's a bit better. Can? Okay, let's move on to the next one. Jenny wants to buy lunch from a food court. She plans to buy a meal that includes one main dish, one soup, and one drink. How many different ways can Jenny buy her lunch? Okay, there's only 2 different ways that she can do it. Okay, I show you the answer first. Okay, wait, this thing a bit slow, so hold on for a bit. Let's see if it's. Oh, I hope it's okay. Okay, wait, let me change to another work. I think can. Okay, wait, it's a bit slow. Okay, so I changed to my this one now. I think it's a bit better. Okay, let me share this one more time. Okay, yes. So the answer that you see here is 2. Oh, sorry. Here. Yes, the answer you show here is 2 because she plans to buy one main dish, one soup, one drink, right? Meaning to say, she can buy one nasi, she can buy chicken soup, she can buy tea. There's a few ways that she can buy it. There's quite a few. So it's not 2. Okay, this is the first way. Second way is nasi plus vegetable plus tea, or nasi plus chicken plus coffee, nasi plus vegetable, coffee. Okay, this is for the first one. Then you ask me second one, is it the same? Yes, so total is 8 because here got 4 ways, right? You may repeat for fried noodles. Okay, so this question they are testing you on listing. Okay, I'm sure you all know what listing is. Okay, listing is basically you list out whatever you have and you send. Okay, so she can buy one nasi lemak, one chicken soup, one teh, or she can buy one nasi lemak, one vegetable, one teh, nasi lemak, chicken, coffee, or nasi veggie coffee. Okay, so total got 4 ways, right? Fried noodles, same story. Okay, can? So total there's 8 ways. Right, next one. This one. This is your section C. You all can label this in your on your paper first. So this is section C. Now there's only one question. Okay, here we go. For question 9, show you working clearly and write your answers in the spaces. The number of marks available is shown in brackets at the end of each question or part question. So there's only 4 marks for this question. First one, there were 3390 people at the Singapore Zoo on Friday. Okay, so let's put here Friday, Saturday. You have 3390, right? Let's say this part 1900 1900 or 1900 of them were adults. How many children were there at the Singapore Zoo? Okay, this one not considering Saturday yet. Total 3390. So you just take 3390 minus 1900. If you don't need to draw bar graph, also can, but it's highly recommended. Okay, you should get 1490. So your answer here 1490. Okay, now we go on to B. B you need to draw, okay, because I don't think you all may visualize this or you all cannot see. So there were 685 people fewer at the Singapore Zoo on Friday than on Saturday. So you have 3390, right? But take note, there were fewer on Friday, which you use logic. Saturday will have more or less? More. Okay, it will have more. So it will be 685 here. What is my total? Okay, this one very easy to find. It's just 3390 plus 685. Answer 4075. That's it. Okay, that's it. And this is the end of the whole paper. Okay, is it difficult? Not really, unless you never study lah. Okay, can? Alright, now I'm going to switch my screen a bit. Now I'm going to give you some tips on how you should excel in your WA1. Okay, firstly is always don't blank out. Okay, this one I highly emphasize to my even the primary 6. I also got teach primary 6, yeah. Okay, I literally told them to don't blank out and to make sure you all treat it as a practice worksheet. Okay, treat as a practice. Do math until you can ace it. Okay, do math until you really can. Then you just do it lah. Okay, second way is you can also use every minute for checking of your answers and answering your question instead of staring into the blank space. Okay, don't in Chinese we say 发呆 or we say daydream. Don't daydream. Okay, and the last one, please, this is for heavenly God's sake, please attempt every single question. Whatever question you have, right, just do, don't skip. Okay, as I put over here in my note here, yeah. Okay, this one is don't skip any question at all. Okay, if not, I'm going to end the lesson here. Okay, hopefully you all picked up a tip or two on how to ace your WA. If you have any question, you all can type in the comment. I'll be more than happy to answer them. And until next time, okay, please like, share, subscribe, okay, ring the bell or whatever you all want to do. If you all want to view, don't subscribe also can. Okay, treat it as a learning point for y'all lah. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna end here. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.